Let's go over what exactly is going on with the Valkyrie Bitcoin ETF. So this one, you guys may not find this as interesting, but it's actually pretty important. So right here, we're seeing crypto trading firm Valkyrie raise $10 million to drive the Bitcoin ETF. We're seeing about a dozen Bitcoin ETFs that have been submitted for approval to the SEC. None of them have been approved yet. ARK Invest filed for a Bitcoin ETF. VanEck has filed for a Bitcoin ETF. Wisdom Tree, Valkyrie, all these companies all have filed with SEC for a Bitcoin ETF, yet none of them have been approved. None of them have been approved. So what we're seeing now is that crypto trading firm Valkyrie just raised another $10 million in hopes of accelerating the process to the Bitcoin ETF. And the thing that's important about this is not exactly that they raised $10 million, because for them it's not a lot. But the important thing is who they raised the money from. So they raised the money led by like Precept Capital Management, XBTO, like whatever. Those are investment management companies. Not so exciting. But the exciting people are Tron, the Tron founder, Justin Sun, the Litecoin founder, Charlie Lee, and former Major League Baseball pitcher, CJ Wilson. So it's exciting to see some of these big name people in the crypto world combined with the sports world backing this crypto investment fund. And they said that this funding is going to help drive Valkyrie's 3 business lines. It's going to help drive a new trust or separate management account designed for institutional investors, the new ETF that they just filed, and a hedge fund business. So it's going to help them continue to grow, continue to expand into offering more crypto products, which is going to therefore make it easier for institutions to get involved in crypto. And we know as soon as one Bitcoin or Ethereum ETF gets approved, that's going to be when the entire crypto market takes off. Because right now, zilch, nothing. No crypto ETFs have been approved. No Bitcoin or Ethereum ETFs have been approved. As soon as we see one of them, the floodgates are going to open. We're going to start to see more. We're first of all going to see all of them get approved very quickly. And then after that, we're going to start to see institutions get involved. Is it going to happen in this summer of 2021? Hopefully, the SEC has a lot of decisions coming up. They could just delay them like they have. But we should see it at some point in the second half of 2021 or early 2022. And even everyone right now, institutions, like executives at investment management companies, they're all saying that never in their career in financial services have they seen anything like what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of these like applications with the SEC. They said never before have they seen where there are 13 applications for the same exact ETF product. Not only that, but they all have the same applications and the SEC has not approved any of them. You would think that they would want to approve they would want to approve these ETFs, because what this shows is that if there's 13 applications for the same exact product, that means that there is a lot of demand. Like everyone is saying, they have never seen this many applications for the same exact ETF ever before. So what this is showing us is how much demand there is from retailers and how much institutions want to get in early on getting the first ETF for Bitcoin in the US, because we know once there's one Bitcoin ETF, they'll offer basically the same thing. So all of these companies are in a race to getting the first Bitcoin ETF approved, because if they could be the first, well, maybe then they could be that leader. They could be the biggest Bitcoin ETF. And that's going to be great for their business in the future. So we'll see what happens. But exciting stuff. Raising more money, going to have more investment products that are going to make it easier for institutions.